discuss BHEL?
No.
Okay, so let's talk about BHEL. And we've got Praveen, who's bought at levels of 290. He's incurring a loss at this point, and he's wondering whether to book those losses or to hold on. He's got a perspective, I believe, for 1 year. Oh, he's been holding for 1 year. He's not told us what his timeline is. Vaishali, on the charts, I'll come to you. 236 is the current market price. 290 is where he's bought it at. Should he hold on?
I think you should hold on because it is getting into a trend. Keep a stop loss of 220 and wait for the stock to go above 250. Then I think you will get good returns from there on.
All right. New listing. Manu, so VMS TMT is the name of the counter we're talking about. It listed a premium. It's cooled off just a tad bit from that point. It got oversubscribed, the IPO, quite considerably. In fact, 102.27 times. Investors placed bids worth 12,452 crore rupees or thereabouts. And this is an interesting play to talk about. Let's, in fact, speak about this with the management. They're manufacturers of thermomechanically treated bars. Manoj Jain joining in. Manoj, thanks so much for taking the time, and congratulations on a successful listing. Let me ask you this. The intention of the IPO was to reduce debt and for general corporate purposes. So what is the trajectory of debt reduction? When do you see that happening? And what are the levels that you would anticipate we would see debt at the end of the current financial year?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. इससे पहले तो मेरा थैंक्स इन्वेस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट किया और ट्रस्ट दिखाया कंपनी और प्रमोटर्स में. थैंक्स टू दैट. और आज लिस्टिंग भी हो गई कंपनी की. विजिट्स पे लिस्टिंग हुई है. और जैसा आपने बताया कि ये जो आईपीओ आया इसका मेजर का पोर्शन है और लॉन्ग टर्म डेट रिडक्शन में जा रहा है, जिससे कि कंपनी का जो पैट है, बॉटम लाइन है, उसमें तकरीबन साल का 10 से 12 करोड़ रुपए का सुधार आएगा. प्लस कंपनी ने जो सोलर प्लांट का जो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी की सारी है कंपनी, वो मार्च 26 में ऑपरेशनल हो जाएगा. इससे भी काफी बड़ा हमको जो है नेट के अंदर देखने को मिलेगा. जो भाकर इंटीग्रेशन है कंपनी में जो ऑपरेशनल हो चुका ऑलरेडी, उसका भी इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है. जो टॉप लाइन है और बॉटम लाइन है, बेटर फॉर कंपनी है.
Jain, hi, Mahima also joining in. Just want to understand, FY23 revenue was at 882 crores versus 771 crores in FY25. Why is that dip, firstly? And from here on, do you think this revenue going ahead will improve and will cross where you were at FY23? What is the growth outlook like?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. When last year, in September 24, we have completed our backward integration. In backward integration is that direct now from scrap to TMT we are going to manufacture it. Earlier